Here, what is topology? Now, topology defines the structure of the network of how all the components are interconnected to each other. There are two types of topology, physical and logical topology. We are focusing on the physical networking. Now, in the physical topology, the arrangement of all the computers which we are placing inside a room, that is known as a topology. Here, one diagram is given on your screen that are 5 types of topology: bus, ring, tree, star, mesh and hybrid. Now we are going to the first one, bus topology. Now with the help of this diagram you can easily see that all the computers are connected in a sequence just like a bus. The bus topology is designed in such a way that all the stations are connected through a single cable known as backbone cable. Now here the data transmission flow in a single direction. Number 2, ring topology. Just like a ring, all the computers are connected. Ring topology is like a bus topology but with connected ends. That means here no ending point. A circle is going on and the data will be flow within a ring. Third one, star topology. That means all the computers are connected with the main server which is set up at a center. Now in the star topology, if you want to add a new computer, it is very easy. Then it will not disturb the flow of the information. It just look like a star that all the computers are connected to the central one. Star topology is an arrangement of the network in which every node is connected to the central hub switch or the central computer. The central computer is known as a server and all remaining computers are known as a nodes. Next, tree topology. Just like the hierarchical format of a tree, all the PCs are connected here. With the help of the diagram, you can see just like a tree, branches and leaves like that one. Tree topology combines the characteristics of bus topology and star topology. That means you can see both the qualities of bus as well as star topology. Mesh topology, that means without any arrangement. Anywhere, without any particular thing, we can set up this networking. Mesh technology is an arrangement of the network in which computers are interconnected with each other. And the last one, hybrid topology. The combination of various different topologies is known as hybrid topology. That means within this topology, very easily you can see here the bus topology, the ring topology, the star topology, the tree topology, all the topologies characteristics are finding here. So here this one is the complete classification of our topology system.